Fine, let me go with the fourth problem. Right here, find the breadth of a room whose floor area is 363 square meter and length is 33 meter. So here we need to find the breadth of a room. Right, so let us check out here. So this is length and as well as breadth. Right, so now what happens here, they have given the area that is 363 meter square. So in length also they have given that is going to be 33 meter. We have to find out breadth. So we know that area of a rectangle, right, rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Right, area of a rectangle they have given that is going to be 363, which is going to be equal to length they have given that is 33, and breadth we need to find out. So therefore breadth is equal to 363 by 33. Now divide by, directly you can divide, or otherwise you can divide by 3 also. Right, let us go with the 3. So 3 11s are, right, 33, and 3 1s are, 3 2s are, and 3 1s are. Now, so divide 121 by 11, that is 11 into 11 is 121, 11 1s are 11, 11s are is 121. So answer breadth is 11 meter. Option C is the right.